Welcome back to PE Tidbits. Today we are gonna see about muscles and muscular system. So before we see that, let's have a look at this video. We see a person lifting weights. So what do we notice here? We can see this and this. What you can see here is the blood vessels which is present in the dermis. We talked in the previous video about integumentary system that the blood vessels of your skin is present in the dermis layer, and that is what is protruding here. So we are linking to our previous video here. So let's talk about our today's system, that is muscular system. So again the question of why we should learn about muscular system arise, and I believe that we don't really have to answer this question because muscular system is directly linked to sports in every possible way. So we must learn about muscular system, and that's why we are going to learn about it today. It is said that we have 600 muscles in our body, and which is typically divided into three major types, that is the skeletal muscle, cardiac muscle, and smooth muscles. This can again be said as voluntary muscle and involuntary muscle, in which skeletal muscle comes under the voluntary group, and cardiac muscle and smooth muscle comes under the involuntary group. So we can control the skeletal muscle according to our thinking, that is consciously we can control our skeletal muscle, while we can't do that with the cardiac and smooth muscles. So that's why it is called as involuntary and voluntary muscles. Muscle makes up to 40% of the total mass of our body, and the same number of muscles, that is 600 to 640 muscles, in the men can be more, and the women the proportion can be slightly smaller than that of the men. As the name indicates, skeletal muscles are the muscles which are attached to the joints and bones of a body by tendons, and these make the movement possible. So every movement we make are initiated by the skeletal muscles. And cardiac muscle is found in the heart of our body, and it is completely involuntary. That's why our heart works on its own. And smooth muscles are present in every other parts of every other organs of our body, like with other than heart, the smooth muscle makes up every other organ. So as we said that skeletal muscle control most of the movements of our body, so there are major muscles group which are a major indicators in performances and how much you can perform and how you can perform, so or how you can improve your movements when we focus on those muscles. So we will learn more about skeletal muscles in the further videos. This video is just an introduction to the muscular system. We will see in the next video about the composition of these cells, how they work, and what are the functions they are performing, and also how they are different from each other, and the properties of skeletal muscle, etc. We'll also learn deeply about the skeletal muscle, its structure, how a myofibril is composed and what it is composed of, how the muscle work, what all mechanism happens from initiation of a stimulation to the performance of the action, etc. So stay tuned to know more about the system. Do like the video, comment, share, and subscribe the channel for more such informative videos. Thank you.